Hey guys, oh hey, it's your girl Shifi Ali, and I am getting ready for, I guess, Florence.
Well, we're also watching Hurricane Florence, and boy, is it getting bigger and closer to the California coast. North Carolina, South Carolina, and Virginia all under a state of emergency. The Category 4 storm is expected to make landfall sometime between Thursday evening and Friday afternoon. Millions of Americans have already started to evacuate their homes. Mola Lengi begins our coverage from Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina.
It's the sky is clear right now. It's partially sunny out. There hasn't been much rainfall in our neck of the woods. However, I want to be, careful. So what I'm thinking to do is go get some of the things we need, like there's no water, literally nowhere in the whole entire state of North Carolina. I'm learning that there's no water.
Water and non-perishable goods. That's what people are stocking up on ahead of Hurricane Florence. And earlier today, I got a chance to speak with a couple people out here at Walmart who were stocking up on goods and also thinking about the impact that Hurricane Hugo had on this area back in 1989.
Rather be safe than sorry.
The Walmart on Broad Street in Sumter was packed as people rushed to get last-minute items before Hurricane Florence makes landfall. But the superstore was running low on certain things.
Bread, water, all the shelves are just cleared out.
So I'm gonna go get more bread and just some fruit for the kids, some flashlights because my husband threw those out when we moved. A couple items to keep the kids occupied if the power indeed does go out. And I don't know. So I'll keep you guys informed as to how the day progresses for the Alis. And thank you so much for your prayers. We've already gotten comments telling us, be safe with the praying hands. I like the praying hands. I'm learning how to speak emoji because I didn't know. So welcome you to the wonderful world of emoji. So guys, I have found water for us. And thank you, baby. And so we have water. I got a couple of supplies. We're keeping track of, okay baby, we're keeping track of the weather. Sharif is monitoring it. And so far, what's going on, babe? Can you tell them?
So you have to excuse me, I'm sick. So Charlotte won't have the eye, it seems like Charlotte won't have the eye of the storm, the eye of the hurricane, which is cool, but there's still that chance of heavy rain. And for there to be like between 13 to 30 inches of rain and strong wind gusts. So right now, our only concern is flooding and also the strong wind impact that will affect the windows and possibly break our windows.
Right, and the trees around it.
Right, now we don't have big trees around. Well, we do have that big tree on the side of my house.
We have and the trees in the back.
Yes, those trees. Yeah, that's true. I mean, the thing about our backyard though is our backyard goes in the downslope, so I don't see those trees being picked up and then flown over to our house.
Have you lived through a hurricane before, my love?
Have I lived through one before? Yes.
Where?
In Florida.
Okay.
I've lived through it to tell the tale, Jesus.
See, there's something very different about Sharif and I. Like, Sharif lives his life in hope, and I live my life like not. So Sharif is like, we'll be fine.
I live it in best case scenario. Babe lives in the worst case scenario.
Exactly. And right now, I'm trying to determine who's making the better judgment. My thought is, why are we sitting here waiting for a hurricane? Why not just go up north? Babe is like, any excuse to go back home. Honey, I have a flight next week. Like, much quicker.
Flights.
I'm just saying, I'm going back. But I'm talking about my children. I'm not comfortable
with us being stuck in a flood
right.
with our children.
We can have flashlights and food and we can have everything but what we don't have is, like, then what? what's happening? So we already have our plan. If this happens, we're gonna go in Shreve's closet because it's up high. There's no window. It's enough space for to make it like fun for the kids, so they don't really know that we're in danger. But like my thought is, why are we sitting here?
Yeah, that's true. So what do you think about like the rain, like with the flooding? Do you think that that'll happen?
No, man, like that. Maybe like a small creek or something like that might be flooded. Some streets might flood. You know, like small creeks or something like that. But you ain't got no creeks in nobody. You ain't no ain't like Lake Wiley about to overflow off this motherfucker.
Right. Okay.
We flood from the rain.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's just the rain. It really gonna be the rain though. Like I said, we gonna say hold on out because I ain't going nowhere. And I was gonna say he gonna stay. So we trying to stay at school. So I told Mark I might get him. But like I said, we just be ready for the rain. This ain't like no candles or something. Just or the power might go out. I never had any issues like that.
Right. Okay. All right. Cool. That's all I wanted to know.
Yeah, just make sure. Yeah, but that's about it. Keep looking at the forecast.
Berg south toward I-85 south,
okay.
Greensboro north.
Make sure you can keep an eye on that. Look. Yep.
All right then. All right.
Okay.
All right.
My thought is no person can predict. Like there hasn't been a hurricane year since 1989, Hugo.
Right.
So 1989 is 2018.
Right.
I don't.
It's like 3 decades. Yeah.
I don't care what anyone thinks.
Right.
If you have a way out, get out.
Right.
That's what I'm saying. And if it's a bright sunny day, to God be the glory. But it's like it's happening in South Carolina and it's happening in Virginia, and we in the middle. I'm just following your lead on this one. So like we posting this vlog. Excuse our interruption. We will keep you up to date with the vlogs that we need to catch you up on. But right now we just want to talk to you all because who knows? This could be our last vlog. You know, it could be. It could be.
This is not going to be our last vlog, love.
It could be.
The Lord won't let that happen. The Lord's not going to let that happen.
All I'm saying is our children outnumber us.
Yes,
in a
true.
crisis, we got 2 hands, and we got 3 babies.
Right. I understand wholeheartedly what you're saying.
But you're a man. You're calm, cool, and collected, and I'm like, I don't want to risk my babies' lives.
I wonder why I'm at a standstill right now.
Because you live your life completely in faith. Blind faith. Mustard seed faith. I got mustard seed faith. Hold on to God's unchanging hand.
Incoming call from...
I don't live like that. I live in faith and preparation.
Faith and practicality.
If you worry, don't pray. If you pray, don't worry. Oh, I'm praying and planning.
I'm praying and
planning.
Would you be opposed to you and the children going for safety while I monitor what's going on at
Why you
at the
stay
house?
here and work? That's what you're not saying.
No, I'm not
That's
saying
what you're
work.
not saying. You want to stay here for work. You want me and your 3 children to get on a road in the midst of a hurricane alone so that you can clock them hours. Oh my God. Oh my God.
That's not what I'm saying.
Oh my God, it's exactly what you're saying.
No, I'm saying just to monitor the house.
What do you mean? I just said I can't live without you and the car. You 4 and the car.
Right.
You're saying
I'm saying take
you 4 get on the
the
road.
children and the car
In the middle of a
as you've been saying it.
In the middle of a hurricane by yourself on a road.
Babe.
I only got 2 arms and I have
but
3 kids. You're crazy.
I'm one person and a professional swimmer. If anything were to happen, which you would not. We're not going to be. I really don't think
But something
we'll
could happen to
like
me
that.
on the road, sir.
While you're going to New York?
Virginia, sir. Virginia.
So what's going on?
Right. I don't know, meteorologist. You tell me.
Well, first I need to know the locations of Virginia as I'm thinking about it. Hold on, let me look at a map.
Yeah. What? Don't beep at me. They slowing down. Every time somebody calls to check, my dad is called from prison. My brother, who I haven't spoken to, I seen him on a whim about 2 weeks ago, but I don't see my brother. My brother Jerron called. Like, people just, you know, they're really called. Sharice's best man called. I'm like, stop calling. With each call, it makes me, you know, like, more afraid. And I seen on Facebook is this post about what to do in the case of this. I'm just like, my nerves are bad. Yeah, my nerves is really bad. These groceries.
Okay.
Hey, Sajiwaji.
Hey, Kajiwaji. Mama, oh my God. Okay, I'll give it to you.
Thinking back on the conversation between Felicia and I in the car, she said she shed some light on things that I hadn't thought about. I do operate out of blind faith, and sometimes, you know, that can work against me, but in my experience, I found that everything tends to work out for my good. That's just how I feel. So, the favoritism that I believe God has with me makes me think that He would not possibly allow a hurricane and a flood to affect my household. I can't afford to lose anything. My family can't afford to lose anything. So I'm praying for all those who are affected by the hurricane. I haven't really watched the news or anything to see what's going on, but I am thoroughly convinced that the Ollies will be fine. Thank you guys for your comments. Thank you for your prayers. I know I had a couple of friends who text me to send out their prayers too. Thank you. But we're going to be cool and watch and see. So I'll make sure to cover, you know, the weather and what's going on in a future vlog, as in like Friday or so, to catch you up to speed with what happened. But we'll be fine. I just believe that we'll be good. So as always, you know, when something seems bad, you turn it around and make something good. Blessings.